3, 2, 1. Last 3, 2, 1. And may we call on Rob Daniel to please join us for the photo op?
Pressure.
Sobrang hirap naging blondie mo.
Paano ko po ba pwedeng i-kwento? So, sana napanood niyo po siguro ng trailer. Malalaman niyo na kung paano po yung connection namin magiging parang tulay ako kung paano sila nagkabalik sa isa't isa sa buhay nila. I can't say too much because I don't want to spoil too much about life. Pero ang masasabi ko lang dito, lagi ko po sinasabi, dito sa tatlong character na to, you're gonna learn so many different versions of love. That could be love for someone else and also love para sa sarili. So doon ako na-excite pa na kay Clyde. Malalaman niyo kung paano ba dapat mahalin yung sarili mo. Going back to kung na-pressure po, ako sobra, sa totoo lang. Nung tinext po sa akin, una ko po sinabi, sabi ko, sigurado po ba kayo ako talaga yung nag-isip niyo para dito? Pero, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Viva Films dahil pinaramdam po nila sa akin yung importante ng character ni Clyde. And these two never made me feel the pressure. Super blessed to be working with such amazing actors na pinaramdam nila sa akin na parte ako ng show, ng movie na to. So, I didn't feel too much pressure, pero to myself, I was making sure na mabigyan ko lang ng justice ang napakagandang kwento nila Fidel at Stella. Nagkatrabaho na kami ni JC before. Mas may connection, mas marami pa kaming eksena dito than the last project that I did, of course, with him. Pero, like I said, I think ang pinakamasasabi ko sa dalawang actor na to is yung professionalism nila is unmatched, na parang pinaramdam talaga nila sa akin na parte ako ng buong production. And it's a team effort, kumbaga. I know this is their movie, I respect that so much because, I mean, your kwento nila Fidel at Stella, syempre. Sobrang respect ko yung kwento nila. Pero, like, for example, when I just said thank you to Bella, thank you so much for letting me be part of this project. Sagot niya sa akin, thank you for joining the parade. Parang, pinaramdam niya talaga sa akin na they wanted me to be part. And from day one, I never felt the pressure from either of them. And I think, makikita mo yung kalabasan sa movie. Yeah.
Actually, yung nagtag lang ako sa character niya. If you see, and I'm sure pa talaga naman doon Direct Jason, no? Si Clyde ay yung opposite ni Fidel, basically, in terms of physicality and confidence. So, I gelled yung character niya sa akin kaagad kasi, siya yung hindi siya.
Something to look forward to. Congratulations.
You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to linger?